video, but go check it out, okay guys? That's so cool. So we are doing an experiment just like that. Pretty cool, right? So that experiment is called the volcanic eruption. Guys, for this experiment we need 6 things: vinegar, an empty bottle, shampoo, food coloring, baking soda, water. So let's start, guys. I'm gonna build my volcanic mountain. If you don't have this thing, you can use your hands, okay guys? I'm just gonna use this because I don't want to get my hands dirty, okay guys? I am going to lift this like that. It's kind of heavy, but it's okay. So we gotta pour this thing to there. So I was like building this and look what I found. A feather of a bird. Our mountain is all ready. My father just helped me a little bit and look, so I just used my hands. Look, it's super dirty, but it's okay. It's like a rock mountain. Guys, you can make your mountain any way you want. Okay guys, I just put rocks. First, you gotta pour some baking soda, okay guys? So I gotta be so careful. The next step is to add shampoo, okay guys? The next thing we need is food color. I think that's enough, guys. We need to add some water. I got to mix this a little bit. I'm gonna add vinegar, okay guys? Only mom gets it. So guys, this is how it explodes. Guys, I just love this a lot. It's like awesome. It was a very fun experiment, even though my hands are full of food coloring. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!